Wanna spice up your life? Have you ever wondered why your grandma always insisted on adding that pinch of turmeric to her cooking? Or why the ancient Egyptians used cinnamon as a medicinal herb? Well, today we are going to delve into the world of spices and discover the vital nutrients and health benefits they can offer. Let's start with everyone's favorite, ginger. Ginger is a spice that's been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It's known to aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost the immune system. Ginger can also help relieve nausea and vomiting caused by motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, or chemotherapy. Plus, it's high in antioxidants, making it a powerful weapon against oxidative stress in the body. Next up, we have turmeric. Turmeric is not only a popular spice used in Indian cuisine, but it's also a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been linked to helping alleviate symptoms of depression, arthritis, and even Alzheimer's disease. It's also a natural immune booster and can help prevent chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. So, next time you're feeling achy or have a sore throat, add some turmeric to your tea or soup, and let it do its thing. Next, the world's most expensive spice, saffron. This exotic spice comes from the crocus flower, and it takes over 75,000 flowers to produce just 1 pound of saffron. That's why it's so valuable, and it has numerous health benefits. It's known to reduce anxiety and depression, and studies have shown that it can help lower blood pressure. Black pepper. Not only does it add a bit of heat to our dishes, but it also contains piperine, which helps with the absorption of other nutrients. So, if you want to get the most out of your meals, don't forget to add a pinch of black pepper. Moving on to cinnamon. Cinnamon not only adds a sweet and spicy flavor to your oatmeal or coffee but also helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great choice for those with diabetes or insulin resistance. Plus, it's been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. And let's not forget about the fiery spice, cayenne pepper. This hot little number is not only a great way to add some heat to your meals, but it's also a natural pain reliever and can help boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. Cumin is another spice that has some amazing health benefits. It contains iron, which is essential for healthy blood cells, and it also aids digestion. Plus, it adds a smoky flavor to your dishes that you won't be able to resist. Spices are not just tasty additions to our meals, but they also offer a wealth of health benefits. From reducing inflammation and boosting the immune system to regulating blood sugar and aiding in weight loss, these little flavor bombs pack a serious punch. From saffron to ginger, each spice has its unique properties that can improve our overall well-being. So next time you're cooking, don't be afraid to experiment with different spices and add some flavor to your life. And as always, stay healthy and stay tuned for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching.